Installing a pressure-reducing valve, PRV, in your plumbing system can ensure a consistent water pressure, protecting your pipes and appliances. Start in a clean, well-lit mechanical room or a neatly arranged industrial plumbing setup to keep the process efficient. Gather all necessary tools, including a wrench, pipe cutter, thread sealant, and a pressure gauge. The first step in the installation process is crucial for us to shut off the main water supply. Locate the main valve and turn it clockwise until it is completely closed, preventing any water from flowing during the installation. Drain the system by opening the faucets to allow any remaining water to escape. This helps to avoid any accidental spills and creates a safer working environment. Once the water has been drained, it is time to mark and cut the section of pipe where the PRV Use a measuring tape to ensure precision. Mark the pipe area with a marker. Remove the marked section carefully, keeping the remaining pipes intact. This cut must be straight to ensure a proper fit for the new valve. With the pipe prepared, apply thread sealant or Teflon tape to the valve threads. This step is vital, as it prevents leaks and ensures a watertight seal once the valve is installed. Install the PRV in line, making sure not to cover the first two threads indicated on the valve to allow proper seating of the valve. After the valve is securely installed, tighten the valve with a wrench downstream to ensuring a snug fit without over-tightening. Turn on the water compression is crucial for preventing future installation. A close examination will help identify any potential issues quickly. If there are no leaks, proceed to adjust the PRV using the adjustment screw to set your desired water pressure. Perform a thorough check to confirm the correct installation. Ensure all fittings are secure and inspect for any leaks by monitoring the area over the next few minutes. Proper installation of the PRV not only enhances the longevity of your plumbing system,